Hello, I'm going to be showing you in this video how to install the Zoom client on Ubuntu. And right off the bat, one thing that you might be tempted to do right at the beginning is to use the software program to install it, because you can install it through this software program. But if you notice, the reviews are not that high in here for the Zoom client, and you'll see a lot of people say that this does not work on Ubuntu 18.04. That happens to be the one I'm using. You may be using 16.04 or 14.04, but because of these reviews are saying that it doesn't work, I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to install it using the software that's on the Zoom website. So I'm going to go to zoom.us, zoom.us, and then you just go over here to the resources menu item, and when you click download Zoom client, it takes you to the download page. Now it knows I'm using Linux, so it's showing me the options for Linux. There are also other versions of Zoom that you can install, but because I'm on Linux, I'm going to try the Ubuntu software and see if it works. If that doesn't work, we may end up having to try the Debian version, but I'm going to try to use the one that says it's for my operating system. So I'm going to save this file in the downloads folder. Your browser probably already took you to your downloads folder, but I'm going to save it in there, and I'm going to pause the video while I'm downloading that, and then I'll start it back up when it's done. Okay, so once you're done downloading it, you should be able to find it in your downloads folder. And to get there, you can either go to your applications and click files, and that'll open up your file browser, or you can go in through your favorites ribbon over here, and then once you get there, you can either double click this folder, or you can just single click this one over here, and then you go in there and you just double click the DEB file that you downloaded from the website, and it will begin the install. Okay, so it takes us to the install screen, and you just click install and put in your password, and it will begin to install the software on your computer. And I'm going to pause this to get rid of some dead space. Okay, and when it's done, you'll see that it goes to this screen, and you'll get this notification saying that that application has been installed and is ready to be used. And now it's time for the moment of truth, as they say. And actually, we don't need this file anymore, so you can just move it to the trash. And if you want to empty the trash, you can do that too, just by right clicking on your trash can and clicking empty trash. Anyway, now you'll see we still have to go in here and find where Zoom is. It's right here. I'm going to put it on the favorites bar just by right clicking and clicking add to favorites, and now I don't have to go in there to find it every time. But let's see if it works. We'll just click this, and it looks like it's working.